Hi, how are you? Chewing gum becomes problematic for you. If chewing gum gets stuck in your hair or clothes, it can be really exasperating for you to remove it. But don't worry, problem solved. Here are some best ways to remove blunt chewing gum. Peanut butter, petroleum jelly, sand, hair dryer. Peanut butter. Besides, you can also use peanut butter to get rid of chewing gum in your hair. Apply some peanut butter on your hair and rinse them thoroughly under the tap water to get the desired results. Petroleum jelly. Rub the required amount of petroleum jelly or Vaseline over the area where the gum is clung and work upon the residue with the help of comb or fingers. Sand. This remedy works wonders on liable and soft gum stuck on shoes. Just sprinkle some sand on the gum. Using a stick, rub it until it is completely removed. Hair dryer. Use hair dryer to make the gum liable. Pull it out with the help of your fingers. This is one of the excellent remedies to remove gum from the carpet. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.